Today, we review the best 5 soup thermos that you can choose the right one for your purpose. After spending 2 weeks of research and consumer survey, we compiled this list. Food jar. There are some concerns around pressure being too high in this food jar, and as a result, food can spill out when the inner plastic lid is open. There can also be occasional problems with screwing the inner lid back on without cross-threading it in the process. However, this food jar also comes with a lifetime limited warranty.
Number 5.
Mira Lunch Jar. Are able to keep hot for 5 hours, or cold for 10. The Mira Lunch Jar has Mira Guard technology, which includes a triple-walled vacuum system and a copper coating for better insulation. This leak-proof jar is made from food-grade stainless steel, and it is free from BPA and phthalate.